Limrakuf syrup helpful in treating respiratory problems including productive and non-productive cough. Gives relief from pharyngitis, sore throat, laryngitis and nasal congestion. Usage: 10 to 20 milliliters twice a day with lukewarm water. Limra REMEDIES is a unique organization that is committed to health manufacturing products based upon the Unani system of medicine. We are a GMP certified company. Unani system of medicine is based on humoral theory that subscribes to 4 humors present in our body: blood, damp, phlegm, balgham, yellow bile, safra, and black bile, soda. Limra REMEDIES proudly presents comprehensive healthcare with a holistic approach and ensures quality and confidence in the therapy.